Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a major announcement that's shaking up the unified communications world. Zoom and Mitel are teaming up to launch an AI-powered hybrid cloud solution. But before we get into the details, let me ask you a question. In a world increasingly dominated by pure cloud solutions, is a hybrid approach the smartest move or a desperate attempt to stay relevant? Some say it's the best of both worlds. Others call it a recipe for complexity and integration nightmares. Stick around, because we're going to break it all down and help you decide if this is the future of your business communications or just another tech fad. Did you know that some analysts predict that hybrid cloud adoption will actually decline in the next 5 years? We'll explore why that might be and what it means for companies betting on this strategy. All right, let's get to the news. Zoom Communications and Mitel, a big player in business communications, just announced the global launch of a hybrid cloud solution. This solution integrates Zoom Workplace and Zoom AI Companion with Mitel's existing communications platforms, including their telephony solutions. Think of it as mixing Zoom's collaboration tools with Mitel's phone systems. This partnership, initially announced last September, aims to address the growing enterprise demand for hybrid unified communications. The core idea is to give businesses a best-of-both-worlds approach, combining reliable communication capabilities with modern collaboration features. The rollout is happening in phases, starting with Mitel's OpenScape Voice and OpenScape 4000 platforms, with more to come later this year. Crucially, Mitel's OpenScape CP and 6900 series devices are now Zoom Phone certified. Mitel also completed OpenScape SBC certification, enabling compatibility with Zoom's Bring Your Own PBX and Bring Your Own Carrier capabilities. So, that's the headline. But what does it really mean? That's what we're here to unpack. I would say that this partnership is the equivalent of a team-up between a nimble startup and a legacy giant. But will it work? What are your thoughts so far? Let us know in the comments below. Let's dive into the technical aspects. This hybrid solution tries to bridge the gap between on-premise infrastructure and cloud-based services. From a technical standpoint, we're talking about integrating different communication protocols, APIs, and security frameworks. One key aspect is the Session Border Controller, or SBC. Mitel's OpenScape SBC certification allows for direct routing, which means organizations can connect their existing phone systems to Zoom's cloud services without major overhauls. This leverages the BYOP, Bring Your Own PBX, and BYOC, Bring Your Own Carrier, capabilities of Zoom. Now, why is this important? It gives businesses the flexibility to use their existing telephony infrastructure while still benefiting from Zoom's modern collaboration tools. The integration also leverages AI, specifically Zoom AI Companion, to enhance productivity. This includes features like meeting summaries, intelligent content creation, and real-time translation. However, implementing a hybrid solution like this can be complex. You need to ensure seamless interoperability, robust security, and consistent user experience across both on-premise and cloud environments. This often requires specialized expertise in network configuration, security protocols, and unified communications architecture. Let's consider the challenges of quality of service, or QoS, in a hybrid environment. Ensuring consistent voice and video quality across different networks can be tricky. You need to prioritize network traffic and optimize bandwidth allocation to avoid latency and jitter. A recent study published in the IEEE Transactions on Network and Service Management highlighted the importance of adaptive QoS mechanisms in hybrid cloud environments. The complexity of the hybrid setup requires careful planning and monitoring and a deep understanding of network performance metrics. In a nutshell, while the integration of Zoom and Mitel offers flexibility and advanced features, it also introduces technical complexities that need to be carefully managed. Is it worth the effort? That's the million-dollar question. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the market implications. This partnership is clearly targeting mid to large enterprises that are not ready to fully migrate to the cloud. According to Mitel, 92% of these enterprises are considering hybrid deployments. This suggests a significant demand for solutions that combine the benefits of on-premise and cloud-based communications. The market for Unified Communications as a Service, or UCaaS, is growing rapidly, but many organizations still rely on their existing telephony infrastructure for mission-critical communications. This hybrid solution allows them to modernize their collaboration tools without abandoning their existing investments. However, the market is also becoming increasingly competitive. Other major players, like Microsoft and Cisco, offer their own hybrid solutions. Zoom and Mitel need to differentiate themselves by providing a superior user experience, seamless integration, and compelling AI-powered features. One potential advantage is the ability to support specialized industries like healthcare, hospitality, and financial services. These industries often have specific compliance and security requirements that make a full cloud migration challenging. A hybrid solution allows them to maintain control over sensitive data and comply with industry regulations while still benefiting from modern collaboration tools. But here's the crucial question. Can Zoom and Mitel effectively compete against the giants in the UCaaS market? They need to demonstrate that their hybrid solution offers a compelling value proposition that justifies the added complexity. If they can't, they risk being squeezed out by the bigger players. And that's a risk they need to take very seriously. What do you think? Can they pull it off? Let's look at this from two opposing perspectives. On one hand, you have the proponents of pure cloud solutions who argue that hybrid deployments are inherently complex and inefficient. They believe that organizations should embrace the cloud fully to unlock the full potential of unified communications. This view emphasizes the scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness of cloud-based services. They might argue that maintaining on-premise infrastructure is a burden that adds unnecessary overhead and complexity. On the other hand, you have the advocates of hybrid deployments who believe that a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work for every organization. They argue that hybrid solutions offer the flexibility to tailor communications to specific needs and requirements. This view emphasizes the importance of control, security, and compliance. They might argue that some organizations have valid reasons to maintain on-premise infrastructure, such as regulatory requirements, legacy systems, or network limitations. To validate these viewpoints, we can look at real-world case studies. For example, we can compare the performance of organizations that have fully migrated to the cloud with those that have adopted a hybrid approach. We can analyze metrics such as user satisfaction, cost savings, and security incidents. We can also conduct surveys to gather feedback from IT professionals and end users. A study by Gartner, for example, found that organizations with a well-defined hybrid cloud strategy experienced significant improvements in agility and innovation. However, the study also highlighted the importance of careful planning and execution. Ultimately, the best approach depends on the specific needs and circumstances of each organization. There is no right or wrong answer. The key is to carefully evaluate the pros and cons of each option and choose the solution that best aligns with your business goals and technical capabilities. What side are you on? Team Hybrid or Team Cloud? Let's drill down on the AI Companion aspect. Zoom is heavily promoting AI Companion as a key differentiator for its platform. This includes features like meeting summaries, intelligent content creation, and real-time translation. The idea is to make meetings more productive and efficient by automating routine tasks and providing intelligent assistance. Now, the effectiveness of AI Companion depends on several factors. One is the quality of the underlying AI algorithms. Another is the integration with other applications and workflows. And a third is the user's willingness to adopt and use the AI-powered features. Some users may find AI Companion to be a valuable tool that saves them time and effort. Others may find it to be intrusive or unnecessary. There's also the issue of data privacy and security. Users need to be confident that their data is being handled responsibly and that their privacy is being protected. Zoom has implemented various security measures to address these concerns, but it's still an ongoing challenge. AI Companion also raises ethical questions. For example, how do you ensure that AI-generated content is accurate and unbiased? How do you prevent AI from being used to manipulate or deceive people? These are complex issues that require careful consideration. Overall, AI Companion has the potential to enhance productivity and collaboration, but it also introduces new challenges and risks. Zoom needs to address these challenges effectively to build trust and ensure that AI Companion is used responsibly. Do you trust AI to take meeting notes for you? Let me know in the comments. So, what's the future of this partnership and the hybrid unified communications market in general? I think we'll see continued innovation in AI-powered features and integrations. Zoom and Mitel will likely add more advanced AI capabilities to their platform, such as predictive analytics, personalized recommendations, and automated workflows. We'll also see more emphasis on security and compliance. Organizations need to be confident that their communications are secure and compliant with industry regulations. Zoom and Mitel will need to invest in security technologies and processes to address these concerns. Another trend is the increasing adoption of cloud-native architectures. Organizations are moving away from traditional on-premise infrastructure and embracing cloud-based services. This will likely accelerate the shift towards pure cloud solutions, but hybrid deployments will still play a role for organizations that need to maintain on-premise infrastructure for specific reasons. The success of this partnership will depend on Zoom and Mitel's ability to execute their strategy effectively. They need to deliver a seamless user experience, compelling AI-powered features, and robust security and compliance. They also need to differentiate themselves from the competition and demonstrate that their hybrid solution offers a compelling value proposition. What's your prediction for the future of unified communications? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech news and analysis. Thanks for watching.